Are you guys ready to see something really cool?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Let's see how this lava lamp works. Ready? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Here goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what happens.
Making a tomato.
Making lava. Look at that. What's happening over there?
What happened to a green one? What's happening to a green one? Hi guys, today we're back with another science experiment.
Yes, we are back with another science experiment. What are we doing today?
We're going to make lava lamp.
Are you guys excited?
Yes.
So what do we need to do the lava lamp, boys?
You need water.
And?
Oil.
Yes, we have some vegetable oil. And what else?
This one.
We need some original Alka-Seltzer tablets. And what else, Ayaan? What do you have?
Color.
And some food coloring.
Yes, shall we do it?
Yes, so for the food color, we got the gel color. It works a lot better than the regular color. So we're going to try it out and see what happens. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah, let's use water.
Okay, here. Okay, so first, you need adult help to do this. Okay, so first we're going to pour in some water. And we just got some water glass. And we're going to put it halfway with all the water.
Mom, you should buy all these. Mommy, you spilled some water.
Yes, I did. Oopsie. Step. We're done pouring the water. Next step is to put some color in your water. And stir the water to make it colorful.
I put some yellow.
Okay.
I did it.
Okay. What's the next step?
Oil.
Yes, next we're going to put some oil.
Let's go put some oil.
Now we're going to pour some oil and you need adult help to do this as well.
Mommy, you just build it.
Yes, I did, Ayaan.
Mommy, bubbling.
Yes, what's happening? Can you see what's happening to your water?
It's bubbling.
Yes, but the oil and the waters are being separated. Can you observe that?
The oil is up and the water is inside.
Where's the oil? Top or the bottom?
Top.
And the water?
And the bottom.
Do you know why the oil is on the top?
And the water is in the bottom.
Yes, because oil is on the top because oil is less dense than the water. That's why the oil is floating on the top and the water is on the bottom. That was a good observation, Shayan. Yeah, you can smell it.
It smells good.
It smells good. It's just oil and water, Ayaan. See how it's separated?
Yes.
That looks really cool, doesn't
That
it?
would look really cool.
And then it's bubbling up. It's done bubbling. Then what's the last step?
Put some doughs.
Yes, put some Alka-Seltzer tablet in there.
But I don't want to wait.
Yes, we have to wait until it's finished separating, right?
Now I can make that up Alka-Seltzer.
What kind of science project should we do next?
I don't know.
Should we try making snow?
Yes, shall we put those first now?
Yeah.
Because
Is it done separating the oil and the water?
Yeah.
Okay. You can put in your tablets and see what happens.
One.
Do it one at a time and see what happens. See, it's bubbling up.
Mommy, want to put all up there.
Now, do you see the lava? Look at what's happening. Ayaan, do you see it? Look at that. Ayaan, your yellow end is just making a lot of bubbles. Did you put all your tablet in there, Ayaan?
Yes, it's gonna blast.
Oh my goodness, it's gonna blast. Look at that. Shayan, did you see your blue and the green?
Yeah. Get out the lava.
Oh, look at this one.
Making some lava.
Whoa, look at that. Shayan, you did a really nice job. Look at this one. Wow. look at this.
Babe.
I really like the blue and the green.
Well, why is it stopping?
It's not stopping. Look, it's making lava. Do you see that?
Yellow?
Yes. Look what's happening here.
Happening. Look what's happening in this one too.
Yeah, look at that.
Wow, it stinks. It stinks.
Look at the lava it's making, the red one. Look at, check it out. The red one. Look at that, how it's going.
Mommy, I can see some bubbles. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Oh, now that's a bubble.